We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Husqvarna Special Edition Z248F with the 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This mower has your 48-inch ClearCut cutting deck. It's going to be a fabricated deck. Has your washout port as well. This does have a removable floor panel to get you access to your maintenance points. Your padded seat. This is more of a premium seat. Spring assisted cutting height adjustment. This is going to give you heights between 1.5 inches and 4 inches. This mower does have greasable cast iron spindles. Has your storage. Coming around back, we have the 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This also does have hydro gear transmission. 3.5 gallon fuel tank. Here we have your control panel. The plastic chute. This mower does have all-terrain tires as well. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Special Edition Z248F. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers you've seen on our channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.